Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to cancel or correct a payroll run in Wave. Mistakes happens, but you can make corrections if needed. Here's how to do it. First step, go to Payroll and Pay Periods. Find the payroll run that you want to correct. Once you have that, step 2, click Cancel Payroll. You can only cancel a payroll before it's finalized or direct deposit is processed. Step 3, edit employee info. If needed, you want to update hours, pay rates, or deductions in the employee's profile. Step 4, rerun payroll. After corrections, go back to run payroll and reprocess the corrected payroll. If payroll is finalized or paid via direct deposits, you're going to need to contact Wave supports to reverse or amend the run. Then submit corrected tax forms if taxes were already filed. For manual corrections, use journal transactions to adjust payroll balances. Always double check entries before approval to avoid needing corrections later on. It's going to save you guys from a lot of headaches. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.